Found this cottage out of time, walls of stone that climb and climb, dancing dust in morning light, echoes of some yester's plight, broken shutters, faded dreams, garden wild with hidden streams, whispers float on lavender, in this place where hearts confer. Brush in hand I paint my past, mend the cracks and build to last. Every nail and wooden beam weaves a life from a dream. Old oak tables scarred by tales, glass that's fragile like the sails, faded curtains sway in grace, mark the hours night and day. Every stroke a love affair, crafted with deliberate care. History in every hue, in each room a life anew. Fireplace with living flame calls me by my giving.
We're going to try metal studs for the first time. I've never used them, and to be honest, I always used wood. So this is all new for me. I have to still buy the tools for it, because you can screw them, but I want to use the tools, so don't have to use screws and stuff. I bought some insulation and I bought some electrical wire, 100 meters for my outlets. So yeah. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour and my plan. This is gonna be my bedroom. This wall here I'm gonna insulate, because this is the outside wall. It's all dry. It was leaking up there, but I fixed that. There was a big hole, fixed that. Now the wall's all dry, so I'm gonna insulate it, put a plasterboard wall in front of it. There I'm gonna plasterboard until like a meter high, I think, so you can see the stone wall still. And I have room for my electrical wire. Then there, I'm not sure yet. I feel like plasterboarding it, but I don't know. I just need a lot of wires to go through, and it's not really possible now. Then here is we're gonna have the bed here, so when we wake up we have this view, like beautiful plasterboard wall, a chimney. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it right now, but it's a little bit dark, but yeah. I feel like plasterboarding that in as well, and have like a wood burner down there, a small one. And there like maybe a closet or something in this little corner. That's my plan really. And I have really beautiful beams up here. I want to buy some old looking wooden planks and lay them on top of here. Remove the chipboard, have the nice little planks on there. It's gonna be really nice. A lovely lamp. Yeah. I'm making some little spacing blocks for the upper rail, because there are some iron anchor points in the way for the upper rails, so we just go over it. So I need some spacers. It's a bit annoying, but look, they this beam is anchored into the wall, and if I place this block here, I can put the rails on top of here and then go over it. So that should make it a tiny bit easier. But this is a little annoying. This. Now I can simply screw it in place and I've never used this stuff, so it's quite new to me. So I need to get some feeling for it still. But it shouldn't be that difficult, I think. All the walls are kinda wonky. They're all leaning inside outside, so it's kinda hard, but I bought this thing, and you're supposed to supposedly don't need screws, so let's see how that works. I don't know. Feel like you do this, and now it's stuck or something. But that's annoying because I can't reach the other side now. How do people do that? I First we do them on this side. And then do down here. Check if it's level. It's level. So that's one. Our first metal step. Nice. So for the first time it's going pretty easy actually. We just make sure to level it. I've noticed that I didn't screw the rail into the floor yet, because I think it's easier to level it out when I have all the studs in place just at once. Because my wall, I don't have any points where I can measure from, and I don't have a laser, so I think this is the easiest way. Well, this is my first time using metal studs, like I said, so it's kind of fun. Okay, it's about this, I don't know what's called, but about this. And that's just, you can use screws, but with this you don't have to use screws. I don't know if you're supposed to use screws or not, but with this you basically pinch the metal sheet into each other. It's pretty easy, you just clamp it down and you're done. It's easier than wood, I think, and way faster though. I need to get the feeling a little bit yet, but it's going well. You might have noticed that I left an air gap between this wall and the outside wall. That is because I want to insulate this wall, and natural stone buildings are not built on a foundation, so there is naturally going water from the ground. It's going up inside the stones, and if you want to build a wall in front of it and you put insulation inside the wall as well, against the stones, you're gonna get mold. So this way I'm having an air gap and some airflow. I'm gonna place some air vents here and there. And then I hopefully don't have water issues. But you notice all the gaps are facing that way. So my plan is I bought some insulation the width of this. I plan to put another one like this, so I can shove the insulation in between, so it hopefully stays in. And then I can get my wire and stuff behind everything. That's the plan. Going slowly, but we're going steady. So I placed one extra. I'm gonna fasten it. Don't need to be really tight. So that makes for an extra strong wall as well. So that's nice. I may have a couple screws in here to fasten these on each other. But the wall's almost done. The metal studs are almost done. I need to buy some more really. The insulation works perfectly like I wanted to. I put some tape here to keep it away from the wall, so if it sets or you know what happens, it just not gonna touch the wall. So that's good. Yeah, just a couple more studs to go and then plasterboard really. I am cutting all my studs on the right side as once, and then I can start with the electrical insulation, plasterboard, and then maybe somewhere in the future paint it. So yeah, let's get cutting.